Welcome to Nailed It, Cooking with Ava. Today we're gonna make pumpkin chocolate chip muffins, and we're gonna put them in these like little shaped muffin. Okay, first thing is what?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. All right, dump the pumpkin out. I'm a sous chef over here, getting stuff ready. Oops. So it's a 15-ounce can of pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, actual pumpkin. Pumpkin. Like Ava, she's my pumpkin.
Mom.
All right, I think that's good. Thanks. All right, and then it needs a cup of sugar, white cane sugar, and then we need a half a cup of brown sugar. You need a rag. You should always pack your brown sugar, right, Ava?
Yes.
Okay. I need you. Go for it. And we need half a cup of vegetable oil.
Oil.
And you can use like coconut oil. Well, we can't because Dad's allergic. But you can use olive oil. You can use canola oil. All right, go for it.
Sure.
Yes, please. Whoops. Okay, next part. 2 eggs. My amazing egg cracker. And a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and put it in there.
And eggs?
I'll go ahead and put 1 egg in. There you go. That way if you've got a yucky egg, it won't mess up everything. So 2 eggs. Eggs, glorious eggs. Sorry. And then a 1/4 cup of sour cream, which we're not going to use sour cream. We're going to use
Yogurt.
Yes, we're going to use yogurt because that's just the way we do things. All right. Ooh. Okay. There you go.
That's easy.
Yeah, you might want to use the spatula on the side. Yeah. All right.
That.
Now we're going to stir. So my stir has done all the stirring. Now we've got to put in the flour. So we're going to make these somewhat healthy. It calls for 2 cups of flour. So we're going to do 1 regular all-purpose flour and 1 whole wheat flour. Wait a minute. We got to put the rising agents in it. So we need a teaspoon of baking powder. And then half a teaspoon of soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. There we go. And then 1 1/4 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Sorry. One and a little bit. All right, so put that in there, and then I'll get the whole wheat flour ready.
And now it's mixed.
Is it mixed? Well, I got some more flour to put in it. Let me do it.
Good.
Go ahead. Whole wheat and regular all-purpose. And then we have the best part. Chocolate chips. That makes everything better. We're just using mini ones. The actual recipe calls for the big ones, but Ava made the executive decision and said she wanted the little ones. So that's what we're having. That way we still have some left over for pancakes. Some chips. Here's the chocolate chips. We're gonna put those in. You know what we didn't do? We didn't turn the oven on. Okay, sorry. I got to turn the oven on to 350. That was important, and Mom forgot. So we're doing like 2 scoops per, and we'll see how that goes. We got some extra ones over here, because I think there's going to be more dough. But we'll be back.